Good evening, CIS 101. This is Darrick Fuller reporting, and I'm going over my personal budget. As you see here, we're on the documentation tab, the author, the date, and the purpose of the budget, which is to plan, track, and document revenue and expenses. I've added the instructions as required by the assignment. And now let's go into the budget details. As you see here, here's a title, Darrick Fuller's Personal Budget. And if you go into the home ribbon, we use the cell style of heading 1, as title, as this is the title of the project. As you see up top here, we have a summary of the data, which is a summary of the total revenue, expenses, and the total savings opportunity. And then the revenue summary, the average, the highest, and the lowest, the expense summary, and the savings opportunity summary. And this is where I did something different. I used a logical function here, which basically says if I-24, which would be total revenues, is equal to the sum of the revenues, then show me total revenues in that box. If not, leave it blank. So I just wanted to demonstrate mastery of the logic if function, and I did that for all of these categories as you see here. Next, we have the actual revenue and expense categories. Salary and wages, bonus, some reimbursements that I receive, my annual insurance refund from my life insurance with the AICPA plan, and my annual tax refund. And again, we have it as totals, the average, the highest, and the lowest. And I would just use a simple sum feature here. Average A, which would only include cells that have text and numbers in them. Highest and the lowest. Let's go to a row that only has a few numbers. Why don't we go to expense reimbursement? And you'll see the average is average A. The max, we use the max function, and so forth. And we've done this throughout the presentation. You'll see my base expenditures, you see my special expenditures, and then total expenditures. And then at the bottom, you'll see my monthly savings opportunity by month, which is total revenues less total expenses. Again, this is my budget, and the purpose of this budget was for me to kind of see how I'm doing month to month and to provide me with a savings opportunity so I can try to realize as much of this as possible, just to better plan and secure my financial future. At the very end, this is all set to print on 2 pages. This will print on 1 page, and this will print on the other. Thank you.